Yes, now look at the question number 7. This exercise 11.3 only. Find the perimeter of the adjoining figure, which is a semicircle including its diameter. Which is a semicircle including its diameter. So diameter is given that 10 centimeter. Diameter is given that 10 centimeter. Then radius is what? Half of that. So 10 by 2, which is equal to 5 centimeter. Am I right? Now what you have to find? You have to find the perimeter of the given figure. So perimeter of the given figure, that is equal to half of the circle, that is circumference of the semicircle, that is circumference of this. What is the circumference of the circle? 2 pi r. So half of 2 pi r plus from here to here, this is half of 2 pi r. Then here it is nothing but diameter. It is nothing but diameter from here to here. O, it is A, it is B. That means OAB plus OB. OAB plus OB. Am I right? Now 2 you can cancel. Pi r, value of pi, if anything is given, you have to take the value of pi is 3.14. Otherwise, you can take the value of pi is 22 by 7. 22 by 7. Am I right? Here the value of pi is not given, so you can take 22 by 7. So 22 by 7 into radius is how much? 5 plus diameter is how much? 10. So 22 into 5 is 110 by 7 plus 10, which is equal to 110 plus LCM is 7. It is 7 tens are 70, which is equal to 180 by 7 centimeter. 180 by 7 centimeter. Otherwise, 2 sevens are 14, 6, 8 sevens are 56, 4, then it will be 40, 5 sevens are 35, 5, 7 sevens are 49. So 28.57 centimeter approx. 28.57 centimeter. Are you getting there? Yes. 2 sevens are 14, 4. Wait, just a minute. I think it's wrong. 180 by 7. 180 by 7. 2 sevens are 14, 4, 40, 5 sevens are 35, 50, 7 sevens are 49, 4. Am I right? Then 1 7 is 7, 3, 30, 4 sevens are 28 and goes on. So 25.71 centimeter. 25.71 centimeter. Am I right, dear? Yes. Now, look at the question number 8. Find the cost of polishing a circular tabletop of diameter 1.6 meter. What is given? Diameter is given 1.6 meter. Question number 8. Question number 8. Diameter is given 1.6 meter. Then radius will be 1.6 by 2, which is equal to 0.8 meter, which is the radius. Am I right? Now what is the given question for you? Find the cost of polishing a circular tabletop of diameter 1.6 meter. If the rate of polishing is rupees 15 per meter square, take the value of pi is 3.14. It is given. The value of pi, this is a constant value of pi is what? 22 by 7. If the value of pi is not given, you have to take it as 22 by 7. 22 by 7. Yes, dear. Now, that is required area to be polished. Am I right? Required area to be polished. That is equal to area of the circular rectangle. Required area to be polished. Required area to be polished. Required area to be polished. That is equal to area of a circle, which is equal to nothing but pi r square units. Pi r square units. The value of pi is what? 3.14. R is nothing but 0.8 into 0.8. Am I right, dear? It is nothing but 3.14 into 88 are 64. That is 0.64. 0.64. Now multiply these two. That is 314 into 64. 4 4s are 16. 4 plus 1 is 5. 3 4s are 12. 6 4s are 24. 2 6 plus 2 8. 3 6 are 18. 6, 5 plus 4, 9, 10, 10, 2. That means you have to correct 4 decimal places. Then it is coming like 2.0096 meter square. 2.0096 meter square. It is record area to be polished. Now the cost for polishing 1 meter square area, how much? Cost for polishing 1 meter square area. It is given rupees, how much? Yes, 15. Rupees 15. Therefore, cost for polishing 2.0096 meter square area, that is equal to 2.0096 into 15 into 15. 20096 into 15. 6 5s are 30, 9 5s are 45, 48, 0, 2 5s are 10, 100, then 6, 9, 0, 0, 2. 0, 8 plus 6, 14, remaining 1, 9 plus 5 is 14, 0, 3. So you have to correct how many decimal places? 4 decimal places. Then rupees 30.144. Rupees 30.144. So you can write like rupees 30.10. Rupees 30.10 you can write. Rupees 30.10. Am I right here? Yes. Shall we move to the next question? Yes. What is the next question for you? Question number 9. That Sahil took a wire of length 44 cm and bent into the shape of a circle. Okay. Find the radius of that circle. Also find its area. Fine. Sahil, he took one wire of length how much? Sahil took a wire of length 44 cm. Okay. The length of the wire is given that 44 cm. Length of the wire is what? 44 cm. What he is doing? Yeah, he bent into the shape of a circle. Find the radius of that circle. So therefore, circumference of the circle is given that 44. Circumference of circle, which is equal to 44 cm. So circumference of the circle is nothing but 2 pi r, which is equal to 44. Take the value of pi is 22 by 7 because the value of pi is not given. So 2 into 22 by 7 into radius r, that is equal to 44. 2 into 22, 44 by 7 into r equal to 44. So r equal to 44 into 7 by 44. 44 you can cancel, then r equal to 7 cm, which is the radius of the circle. So they asked us to find and also find its area. So area of a circle is nothing but pi r square. Area of circle is pi r square units. So the value of pi is what? 22 by 7. Radius is 7. 7 cancel. 22 into 7, 154 centimeter square. 154 centimeter square is what? Radius of the circle. Am I right here? Yes. Now, after that, what he is doing? If the same wire is bent into the shape of a square, that means length of the wire is same. So therefore, perimeter of square, that is equal to 44. Perimeter of a square, that is equal to 44 centimeter. Then what is the perimeter of a square? 4 into length of side, that is 4 into A. Let A be the side of a square. Let A be the side of the square. Let A be the side of a square. That is 4 into side, that is equal to 44 it is given. So A equal to 44 by 4. Multiply becomes divide here. So which is A equal to 11 centimeter, which is the side of a square. Now what you have to find? You have to find the area of a square. Area of a square is nothing but side into side. A square units. That means 11 square, that is 11 into 11, which is equal to 121 centimeter square. 121 centimeter square. Am I right here? Yes. Now, By comparing these two areas of circle and square, which one encloses more area? Circle encloses more area. So comparing the area of circle and area of a square, that circle encloses more area. Circle encloses more area. Am I right, dear? Yes. So I think today this much enough for us. So today what we did how many questions? 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay. So 6 questions we did today, and then tomorrow we will do 3 or 4 more questions. By Saturday we will try to finish this exercise. Thank you everybody. Thank you.